Farm animals. Horse, horse. Donkey, donkey. Cow, cow. Bull, bull. Sheep, sheep. Goat, goat. Alpaca, alpaca. Pig, pig. Dog, dog. Chicken, chicken. Rooster, rooster. Turkey, turkey. Duck, duck. Goose, goose. Horse, donkey. Cow, bull. Sheep, goat. Alpaca, pig. Dog, chicken. Rooster, turkey. Duck, goose. What is this? This is a horse. What is this? This is a donkey. What is this? This is a cow. What is this? This is a bull. What is this? This is a sheep. What is this? This is a goat. What is this? This is an alpaca. What is this? This is a pig. What is this? This is a dog. What is this? This is a chicken. What is this? This is a rooster. What is this? This is a turkey. What is this? This is a duck. What is this? This is a goose. Where is the dog? Here is the dog. Where is the goat? Here is the goat. Where is the goose? Here is the goose. Where is the horse? Here is the horse. Where is the turkey? Here is the turkey. Where is the bull? Here is the bull. Where is the cow? Here is the cow. Where is the duck? Here is the duck. Where is the pig? Here is the pig. Where is the rooster? Here is the rooster. Where is the donkey? Here is the donkey. Where is the sheep? Here is the sheep. Where is the alpaca? Here is the alpaca. Where is the chicken? Here is the chicken. Thank you for watching Super Genius Kids.